How to share your Shein cart on app. First, open your Shein application to get started. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, go and open up your cart, which should be located at the bottom of the screen. As you can see that I've added 3 products in my shopping cart. If you want to share your shopping cart with your friends, then all you need to do is to first send the items that you've added on your shopping cart to a board. Then first, you'll just need to add this product on your wish list. Simply tap the heart icon right next to the product one by one, and after you do that, the products now will be moved to the wish list. You can now go back to the main homepage and then tap on the heart icon at the top right, which will open up your wish list. As you can see that all of these products that I've added previously has been now added to the wish list. You can now go ahead and select the product from your wish list and add them to the board. Simply tap on these 3 lines at the top right hand corner and select the product. Simply tap on the product and then tap on add to board at the bottom right, and soon after you do that, go ahead and name your board. For now, let me just type in shareable goods over here. Now tap on create board and you'll be able to create a board with the product that you just selected. Now go back and open up your boards tab. You'll be able to see the board and the product that you've added in your board list. Tap the share icon at the bottom of the board and then select any one social networks and send the product list to your friends. You can also copy the link by tapping on copy link and simply paste the link and send it to one of the recipient you want to share it with. That is how you'll be able to share your Shein cart on the Shein application. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.